In this session, let us learn about SciPy Matlab arrays. Working with Matlab arrays, we know that NumPy provides us with methods to persist the data in readable formats for Python, but SciPy provides us with interoperability with Matlab as well. SciPy provides us with the module scipy.io, which has functions for working with Matlab arrays. Exporting data in Matlab format. The savemat function allows us to export data in Matlab format. The method takes the following parameters: file name, the file name for saving data, mdict, a dictionary containing the data, do_compression, a boolean value that specifies whether to compress the result or not, default false. Export the following arrays as variable name vec to a mat file. See here, by executing this code, note the example above saves the file name add.mat on your computer. To open the file, check out the import data from Matlab format example below. See here, import data from Matlab format. The load mat function allows us to import data from Matlab file. The function takes one required parameter, file name, the file name of the saved data. It will return a structured arrays whose keys are variable names and the corresponding values are the variable values. Import the array from following mat file. See, to export and import, to export IO savemat, for import my data IO load mat. These methods, by executing this, the result returns this. Use the variable name vec to display only the array from the Matlab data. See, by using this export and import methods, the result returns this. You can see the array originally was 1D, but on extraction it increased one dimension. In order to resolve this, we can pass an additional argument squeeze_me is equal to true. See code squeeze_me is equal to true. The result returns this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay friends, this is the end of part 7 SciPy Matlab arrays. In next video, let us learn about another topic, SciPy interpolation. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.